The winner of this first award is well-rounded.
The Circular by Design Challenge is about actually giving a challenge to all types of companies to think about bringing in their product or their service the concept of circularity from the very beginning, so that when they devise a product, when they devise a service, they're already thinking of what's going to happen in the future with it. How can it actually, the material inside it, the use it's made, be reused many, many times, so we don't have to go and use our other resources endlessly.
We have been drawing on the success of the first edition to extend the scope of this challenge, and we've seen that the success has been remarkable. We really see that this is a big boost to furthering the agenda of circular economy, which, as we all know, is one of the ways forward if we want to build a more sustainable, greener economy. I'm a big believer in this, and I think this challenge is one of the ways forward.
The Circular by Design Challenge is a program that we have developed at Luxinnovation to incite creative entrepreneurs to implement projects that work around circular economy. Small teams of maximum 4 people can apply to participate in a challenge, and from these small teams we selected 12 to participate in a coaching program. This year we had 4 categories: fashion design, sustainable cities, Industry 4.0/mobility, and Luxembourg, Let's Make It Happen, a special category around nation branding.
Every participant in this challenge is already a winner. If they access the 12 weeks coaching, they will have access to experts that can help them build their idea, test their idea, and give them expert advice in terms of IP, business advisory, marketing. So that's how the project is built. And specifically the head coaches, which are then experts in the one category, to really help them push the idea forwards. That's really what the program offers to all participants that enter the coaching.
Luxinnovation, as the National Innovation Agency, is there to actually stimulate innovation within our economy. We're there to actually encourage new ideas and help companies turn those ideas into reality. And obviously everything around sustainable economic development is absolutely key for us. So we want to help companies think of those dimensions and bring them into their notion of how they develop their products and their services right from the very beginning.
We would be foolish not to continue with this award and with this initiative, seeing that this is such a big success and also such a big boost to what we are doing in building circular economy. We need challenges like these to bring in new ideas, and of course there is going to be a 3rd edition, and I'm convinced also a 4th and a 5th edition.